A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Students, we are in the process of completing the exercises of chapter number 13, that is Hiyawata. And I have written on the board that what we are going to do, we are going to complete the exercises. So let us complete the exercises. So everybody, please look at the board. We are on page number 112. We are on page number 112. Page number 112. Okay, look at page number 112 and look at the second question. Yesterday we have done the first question. Use words beginning with H sound. Yes, am I right, student? H sound से शुरू होने वाले जो words थे वो complete हो चुका है. It is completed. Show me your thumb, students. Yes, it is completed. Fine. Okay, now let us see. Have you seen? Question number two. Question number two. Have you seen? Have you seen? Have you ever seen what? Have you ever seen? क्या आपने देखा है? क्या देखा है? Let us see. What you have seen? Number A. I am writing here. Number A. Students, look at the questions. A hippopotamus. A hippopotamus. A hippopotamus in hat. In a hat. In a hat. Answer should be in yes or no. Number B is a hen in a beehive. Beehive. Yes. Have you seen it? Number C, it is a helicopter. A helicopter with hair. With hair, question mark. Number D, a horse drink honey. Fine. Now let us, it's a common general questions. It's a general question, students. Now you have to give me the answer in yes or no. आपको yes or no में answer देना है. Look here. A hippopotamus wearing a hat. कभी आपने hippopotamus को टोपी पहनते हुए देखा है? hat पहनते हुए? Yes or no? Shake your head, बेटा. Yes तो ऐसे shake कर. You can shake your head. Yes. Or if no, then shake your head that no. Yes, no. Fine. So here the answer will be no. Yes, the answer will be no. Now let us see the second question. A hen in a beehive. Have you seen a hen in a beehive? कभी एक hen को, मुर्गी को अपने घोंसले में बैठते हुए देखे हो आपने? Beehive. Yes. Yes. Now a helicopter with hair. A helicopter with hair. एक ऐसा helicopter जिसके बाल हो? No. No. Students, please write down. Look at the board. I am not going to send the exercises. मैं exercise नहीं send करूंगा आपको. So look at the questions over here properly. Now look at the next question. A horse drink honey. A horse drink honey. कभी आपने horse को honey शहद पीते हुए देखा है आपने? No. So look at, now the question is over. Now the question is over. Look here. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, students. Yes. Do it properly, check it properly, and meanwhile I am sending you the attendance. मैं आपको attendance भी send कर रहा हूँ. Send your attendance for today. Students, give your attendance for today. Okay, na? Okay, students, I am sending you the attendance. So give your attendance today. It is valid only for till the class run. The attendance link will be valid till your classes is on running. Till your classes is running. जब तक आपकी क्लास चल रही है तब तक ये आपका लिंक फॉरवर्ड हो रखा है. उसके बाद ये लिंक ओपन नहीं होगा. I have sent you. Give your attendance. Now let us see the next question. Make a story. Let's see. Now let us see the on the same page, page number 112. Make a story of the poem and share it with your friends. You can change the author's name and give the name of your classmate. Start the story which other children can continue. You could begin like this. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Rahul. आप एक स्टोरी बनाइए अपने आप. It's you do yourself. I'm not going to write it on the board. Okay. You have read the poem. आपने poem पढ़ा हुआ है. You have read the poem about Hiawatha. What kind of a boy was Hiawatha? Hiawatha was a very kind boy who was able to speak with the birds and the animals. Such type of story you are going to write one story and begin the story. आपको कैसे start करना है story? Once upon a time there was a boy. You can write the name of your classmate. आप अपने classmate का नाम लिख सकते हो. There was a boy who was very kind. A story similar to Hiawatha's. Now let us see. Let's write on page number 113. Now we will move on page number 113. Students, look at page number 113. What it is written? This is a park where children talk to different animals and birds. Write 4 sentences about the picture. Use capital letters where required. Complete the sentences and punctuation. Okay. Now there is a picture given on the book. You can see. I hope students you can see the picture here. Yes. This is the picture. ये picture आपको दिख रहा होगा. Fine. I hope you can see the picture. Now we have to write 4 lines about this picture. इस picture के बारे में हमें 4 lines लिखना है. Now please look at the board, everybody. Now everyone look at the board. Okay, students, now look at the board. Everyone. The question on page number 112, the last question was to make a story. You have to prepare a story in your own. Okay, you prepare your story. आप story अपने आप बनाएंगे, खुद बनाएंगे. Once upon a time, एक समय, एक ऐसा समय था, या once upon a time, एक समय की बात है, एक ऐसा लड़का था, या उसका नाम राहुल था. Okay, in such a way, make a story. Okay, everyone. Yes, I hope you can do it. आप कर सकते हो. Similar story like here हुआ था. Yes, once upon a time there was a boy whose name was Anuj. He was very kind to animal. Yes, he was very kind to animal. He can speak with the cow. Whenever the cow moves means जब भी वो बा बा करके बोलता था, moving means the sound of a cow. Yes, then Anuj used to give him hay. Hay means चारा वगैरह देता था उसे. Yes, in such a way you can make one story. Now let us see. This is a park. You can see a park in the book where children talk to different animals and birds. Write 4 sentences about the picture. Use capital letter. Use capital letters and where required. Complete the sentences and punctuation. Now let us see. You can see the picture. This park is of beautiful roses and birds. Okay. The first line. Look at the board. First line I am writing here. The park is full of, the park is full of beautiful, the park is full of beautiful roses and birds. This is the first line what I have written, that the park is full of beautiful roses and birds. Now look at the second point. We have to write at least 4 lines. Now 6. Children come in the park. Children come in the park to play with to play with birds and animals. Birds and animals. As we know from the points given from the question, we are able to know that this is a park where animals and children they are talking to each other. हमें क्वेश्चन से पता चल गया है कि पक्षियां और बच्चे आपस में बात करते हैं. So this is the second point, that children come in the park to play with birds and animals. Now write down the third point. The third line is that they talk with each other. They talk with each other, and also share shares their secrets. Okay, this is the third point. Now look at the fourth point, students. No one harms each other in any way. So the question asks us to write at least four. How many lines? 4 lines. So I have written here 4 lines about the beautiful park. Look here, we can see the picture here. Now the last question here is that now color the picture. It is written here, now color the picture. So coloring the picture, it will be your homework. So you have got 2 homeworks. आपको 2 homework मिल गया है. One homework is that, what is your first homework is to write a story, and the second homework is to color the picture of the park. You have to color the picture of the park. Students, look here. This is the picture which I have. Yes, you can see here. You have to color it. ये आपको color करना है. You have to color this picture. This is your second homework. I hope it is clear that look at the first line. The park is full of beautiful roses and birds. Second line is that children come in the park to play with birds and animals. Look at the third line. They talk with each other and also share their secrets. They share their secret. अपनी गोपनीय बातें बच्चे और पक्षियां आपस में शेयर करती हैं. Next, no one harms each other in any way. कोई किसी को harm नहीं करता है, कोई किसी को चोटिल नहीं करता है. Fine, clear? Students, clear? If it is clear, now we will be moving to the next question. Clear? Everybody, show me your thumb. Take a screenshot. Don't write. Don't write, students. Screenshot ले लो. Screenshot लोगे तो clear हो जाएगा. Take a screenshot. Everyone, take a screenshot, please, and try to show. Fine. Okay, good. Ansika Singh, turn on your video. And Trisha Gupta, turn on your video. Trisha Gupta and Anshika, turn on your video. Ansika Singh, and I am requesting Ansika Singh and Trisha Gupta to turn on their video, please. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, students. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now I'm going to erase the board and we will move on to next page, that is page number 114. Now we will move on next page, that is page number 114. Now, students, okay, students. Now look at page number 114. What is the question written there? The next exercise, page number 114. Students, look at the board. Yes, what it is written there? Look here, everyone, please. Where do the following live? Now I am going to ask this question from you. You have to answer me. कि ये जानवर रहते कहाँ हैं? Now the second question here on page number 114 is the second question. Where do the following live? Where do the following live? ये रहते कहाँ है? Where do the following live? Yes, the first question, number E, it is written birds. Birds live in dash. Number B, rabbit. Yes, we have learned about rabbits. Alice in Wonderland. Rabbits live in dash. And number C, beavers. Beavers you have heard in this chapter Hayavathas. Beavers के बारे में आपने जो poem है Hayavatha उसमें पढ़ा है. Now who is going to help me out with this question? Who is going to tell me the first question? Yes, Piyush Giri, you tell me. Yes, Piyush Giri, tell me.
Sir, nest.
Bird lives in a nest. Very good. Mute kar lo. Piyush Giri, mute it. Very good. Nest. Okay. Next, who will tell me? Who is this? Vaishnavi Singh. Yeah. Vaishnavi Singh. Where do rabbits live? Yes.
Hole, sir.
Hall. No, it's not a hall. It's a burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Right, students? Am I right? Show me your thumb, students. Yes. Now, Anshika Singh, now you help me out with the last question. Where do beavers live? I have mentioned in my poem several times.
Lodges. Lodges.
Lodges. No, lodges
Yes.
means it's a house, but where they do live? They live in a pond. They live in a pond. Several times मैंने आपसे कहा है poem पढ़ाते वक्त. They live in a pond. Okay. Students, done? Fine. Clear everybody? Okay, now let us see the next question. Describe Hayavathas, his home and friends in 10 lines. I will send you question number 3. I will send you. मैं आपको question number 3 send करूँगा students. I will not do question number 3 now. Question number 3, I'm not going to write it because we have to write it in 10 lines. So move on to question number 4. Let us move on to question number 4. So students, look at question number 4. Look at question number 4. This is question number 2. Question number 3, leave it. We will do afterwards. So look at the next question. What is the next question? The next question is that what did Hayavathas love? Look at the board, students. Question number 4. What did Hayavatha love? The answer is that Hayavatha loved to learn the languages. Love to learn the language of every bird and beast. Every bird and beast. Now look at the board, students. This is question number 4. What did Hayavatha love? Hayavatha loved to learn the language of every bird and beast. Okay, fine. Clear, students? If it is clear, we will move on to next question. We will move on to next question. Students, we will move on to next question. Take a screenshot. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to erase the board, students. Now look at question number 3 is remaining. Question number 1 के बाद मैंने 2 बताया. 3 is that describe Hayavatha, his home and friends in 10 lines. So we will do, or I will send you on a WhatsApp. Okay, before writing here. So after question number 2, I have jumped over to question number 4. Now let us see question number 5 on page number 115. On page number 115. Let us move on to page number 115. Students, look at the question. Match the following. Match the following. Everyone, please Ready, students? Till now, any doubt? No doubt. No doubt, no? Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Yeah, good. Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Now let us move on to the next question. Okay, students. Now match column A with column B. The next question is that match column A with column B. Match column A with column B. The question number 5, it is that match A with B. Match A with B. This is the question. So students, let me write here. This part is column A and the next one is the column B. Number A, it's written here that whenever, next is whoever, next is wherever. Here the first one is I go, I have friends. I go, I have friends. Second one is I am hungry. I am hungry. I eat. The third one is comes first, comma, wins. Now, who will help me out with the question? Who is going to help me out? Tell me. Raise your hand. Hers, you tell me. Yes, hers. Hers, unmute. Yeah, tell me. Whenever
I go, I
have
am
friends.
hungry. I
No.
am hungry. I eat.
Yes. Whenever I am hungry. Match it with the second one. Whenever I am hungry, I eat. Whenever I am hungry. Whenever means जब कभी मुझे भूख लगती है तो मैं खाता हूँ. Fine. Okay, good. Next. Anuj, you tell me. Yes, Anuj. Unmute it.
Yes,
Look.
sir.
Second one. Whoever.
Whoever comes first win.
Very good. Whoever comes first wins. Okay, good. Good. Very good. Yes. Now who will help me with the next question? Next question I will tell. No one will tell. कोई नहीं बताएगा, मैं बताता हूँ. Only one option is given there, na? So let me tell the answer. That wherever I go, I have friends. Wherever I go, I have friends. Now listen, students. There are 3 lines given below. There are 3 lines given below. नीचे 3 line दी हुई है. Yes, it is written there. Now what do we have to do? We have to join these sentences and write here. अब whenever I am hungry, I eat. You have to write here the first one. Whenever I am hungry, whenever I am hungry, I eat. Yes, in this manner. इस तरीके से आपको नीचे दी गई लाइन में ऊपर मैच किए हुए कॉलम्स को कंबाइन करके combining column A and column B, you have to write down here on the given lines below. Clear? Clear, students? Come on, show me your thumb. Clear, everyone? Yes, very good. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now I'm going to erase the board. Now let us move. Complete the following stories by using an appropriate word from the given boxes. Now I'm not going to write the questions. Okay, let me write the questions. No problem. Okay, fine, students. Now let us see the next question. Question number 6. Complete the following stories by using an appropriate word from the given boxes. What is the given here, hint box. It's written here, my, his, he, and your. Now we have to fill up one story. We have to complete one story. एक story नीचे दी गई है, उसको हमें इसके help के through complete करना है. We have to complete it. Now let me write down the story here. That's it's written here number A that Ram was a farmer. Ram was a farmer. Full stop. Dash wanted to sell. Dash got and shape. Full stop. So he went to the market. Went to the market. Full stop. There dash sold all dash animals to a rich man and got a lot of money. Full stop. When he was going back to dash village, three thieves stopped him. Full stop. Let me write one more line. Stop. Mark of exclamation. Give us all dash money. Ram was very clever. Full stop. He said, I will give dash money to the strongest of you. Okay, below that students there is no blank. इसके नीचे कोई blanks नहीं है. So I'm not going to write the questions now. Now you are going to help me out. आप मुझे help करेंगे. You are going to help me out with the to fill up, to complete the story. Now what we have to do, we have to complete this story. We have to complete this story. We are going to complete this story. Now help me out. Come on students, you have to help me out. That Ram was a farmer dash. Who is going to tell me the answer? Yes, Vardhan, you tell me what will be the first option, first blank. Yes, Vardhan. Ram was a farmer dash.
He wanted to sell his goats.
Very good. He wanted to sell his goats. Very good. Now next, who is going to help me out? Anshit Gupta, you are going to help me out? Yes, Anshit, you help me. Yes, Anshit. Ram was a farmer. He wanted to sell his goats and sheep. So he went to the market. There he sold all his animals to a rich man and got a lot of money. Okay, now Nirbhay, you tell me. Nirbhay Yadav. Nirbhay, I think he's not able to listen. Now who will tell me? Yeah, Shiva, Anshika, you tell me. Animals to a rich man and got a lot of money. When he was going back to
his village.
Very good. To his village, three thieves stopped him. Stop. Give us all
money. All your money.
all your money. Okay, next. Ram was very clever. He said. Now, who is going to help me out the next question? Who will tell me the next answer? Next. Nitish, you tell me. Last. Ram was very clever. He said, I will give dash money to the strongest the thief. To the strongest of you. I will give. I'm not able to hear. Nitish. It will be here. क्या होगा यहाँ पे? U. Y-O-U. Yes. Take a screenshot and fill up in your book. Students, take a screenshot ले लो और fill up करना है इसको. Fill up करना है आपको. Okay. Now, students, we will do the remaining on our next class. Okay, students. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear now. Now it's your time. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. Thank you very much.